This is a very important opportunity to once again to draw the attention of all the member states, all the participants, the delegations to the General Conference of UNESCO to the most important, most concerned issue of climate change. For this reason that the UNESCO international intergovernmental scientific programs like IHP and the MAB has organized a special exhibition on the climate change impact and mitigation on the mountain ecosystems. As you know that the mountains matters. If we are talking about sustainable development these days, mountains really matters because in the mountain areas that roughly half of the world population are living within or direct or indirect benefit from the ecosystem services provided by mountains. This is in terms of the water, most important, climate change, climate regulations, the food, forest products, and of course the mountains are hosting more than half, roughly about half of the hotspot of the biological diversity. If I look back in the program settings in the early 1970s for Man Biosphere program, mountains and mountain ecosystems have been there from the very beginning. This is the same to the International Hydrological Program like IHP. And these days, of course, the more research attention are given to the snow covers and the glaciers because people are very concerned about what is going on with the glaciers. There are different models, different scientific monitoring schemes, and the data and the interpretation and the scientific communities do not yet have the unified the views, conclusions on this.
Since the 1970s, the International Hydrological Program has been working on the management of the freshwater resources. For this reason, we have been addressing many risks and we have been considering many aspects that affect water availability and water quantity. But nowadays, we are considering an additional one, that is climate change.
IHP, in cooperation with its member states, are trying to help develop adaptation strategy, helping countries to develop their monitoring capacities. And we have many programs which are addressed, which are trying to train capacities in the countries in order to do glacial mass balance monitoring, in order to understand climate change impacts on glaciers and water resources.